Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Another technical analysis for BTC and wag na nga nating patagalin pa. Daily time frame is nagpo-form siya ng doji candle and yung volume is below average. So possible undecided yung market currently. So meron pa tayong 2 hours to close this candle and masyado pang maaga. So silipin natin yung possible scenario sa lower time frame. Kung makikita natin na break na yung symmetrical triangle natin and silipin pa natin sa 1 hour para mas malinaw. So what happened is nirespect niya nga yung first lower high natin sa big picture. So meron na tayong trendline resistance dito. Kung makikita nyo, nirespect lang. And after niyang i-break, so bumagsak siya dito. So what is currently happening is after ng breakout, possible nagpo-pullback itong BTC, but sa big picture kung makikita nyo, which is hindi pa nababasag yung higher low natin, so meaning nasa uptrend pa rin tayo, but breaking this support area, possible mag-change na yung bias natin to downtrend kay BTC, but breaking this resistance is possible i-gain niya ulit yung momentum since nasa higher low pa rin tayo, wala pa mababasag nito. So once na binasag to ni BTC, possible, so tusok ulit yan and susubok magbasag ng resistance.